Y'all, welcome to Layn Turo University. I have some really great news for you. I'm going to teach you how to actually find the right transportation attorney and how to find the right attorney that can help you with starting your Turo business, hire car business, avail business, get around business. Doesn't matter if you want to rent a car, if you want to start a dealership. A lot of people don't know how to find attorneys that can actually help you with ride share or renting your ride or renting your car out. It's very niche and very hard to find these type of attorneys, and they're specialized, and oftentimes they're very expensive. Attorneys in general oftentimes on the low end cost $100 to $200 per hour, sometimes $300 to $400 per hour, and that's a lot. Especially if you're just starting off or don't have much money, and even if you have money, that's really expensive. But Legalshield, I left the links below to sign up, and I'm gonna share the actual screen on all their products that can actually help you with your business. If you're starting it doesn't matter if it's a Turo business like me, I'm a Turo power host, or a hire car business, I'm also a hire car owner. Avail business, if you want to share your car on Avail, if you want to share your car on Get Around, if you want to be an Airbnb host, if you need a consultation and also advice, or someone to go over your taxes or offsetting taxes or tracking taxes and expenses, and to help you strategize and pick what type of entity structure you pay, if it's an LLC, a sole proprietorship, a corporation. The Legalshield can help you with giving you a law firm. Doesn't matter if you're in the United States, even the United Kingdom or Canada, all over they have a firm in every state that can actually assist you with any of your questions. And it's unlimited. They will review documents, review contracts, review insurance contracts. They'll go over disputes. They'll collect money for you if you're a Turo commercial host and you're doing everything by yourself, or you're an independent renter where you're renting your car independently without a platform. They also have where Legalshield will help you actually retrieve money and collect money, and it'll help with collection letters. So send the collection letters to your actual renters that owe you. They'll even show up in court for you. You don't even have to show up to court if you don't want to. They go in front of a judge if you're being sued or if you're suing someone. There's a lot of different ways that this can actually help you. But most importantly, if you're a Turo host, a hire car owner, Avail or Get Around, or you're just someone that's thinking about starting and want to become, or you're planning to become a Turo host or hire car owner, Avail or host or Get Around host, or you're already an Avail host or Get Around host, or you're already a Turo host or already a hire car owner, Legalshield will help you with actually giving you legal representation if you're sued, if your renter lies on you. They'll help you even if there's bad reviews that are left on your profile that are unfair, like libel or slander. They'll help you if you need to sue someone, collect money, review documents for you, give you strategies, give you tax strategies. They can also connect you with tax attorneys. And like I said, these transportation attorneys or rideshare attorneys are very hard to find. It's a very new industry, so there's not a lot of attorneys that are well versed on it, but Legalshield has a group of attorneys that can help you. Very important. So follow my screen through. I'm gonna share how to actually locate an actual law firm, and you only pay a monthly fee. So instead of paying $100 per hour, $200 per hour, $300 per hour, or $500 per hour, a lot of money per hour, what Legalshield does is they're kind of like the Netflix of attorneys, where you pay a monthly fee and that's all you pay, and they'll give you free consultations. They'll answer your call. They'll represent you in court. They'll help you with suing someone or offsetting taxes, or with tax advice and expenses and how to build your business and strategy. They'll help you, and it comes all included for a low fee of, it could be anywhere from $14.95 per month. It could be $29.95 per month. There's different packages for what you need. Doesn't matter if you're into rideshare, if you want to get an attorney to help you. Very important. You don't pay per hour, you just pay per month. It's like having Netflix but for attorneys. You'll have a law firm behind you. Very important. So if you want to learn how to offset taxes, be connected to the right CPA or accounting firm or tax attorney that can help you with your Turo business, hire car business, or Get Around business, or Avail business, or you're renting car or starting a dealership. Very important to sign up for Legalshield. I left the links below. Now let me share the screen for you. I love you guys. You guys learn so much. This is how you actually get legal help, basically for cheap and at a controlled rate, where you don't pay exorbitant expensive rates per hour like most people have to. A lot of people can't afford an attorney. This is where even the most frugal person or person with the most least money can actually afford an attorney. Follow the screen through. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Y'all, this is Conrad Layn here. Thank you for following me through. This is an awesome company named Legalshield. They will definitely help you with the whole, if you need a transportation attorney, if you need to figure out, if you need a tax attorney, if you need figure out and ask tax questions, or
or accounting questions or CPA form type questions, especially in regards to taxes, this is a company that will really help you, because attorneys are very expensive. Oftentimes they're $200 per hour on the low end, $300, $400, $500 on average per hour. Where oftentimes, first and foremost, the problem is this: they're awfully very expensive and too expensive for someone just starting off a Turo business or a hire car business or a Veil business or get around business, or if you're someone who's just starting a rental car business, or even if you're a veteran, even if you have a rental car company that's already established, oftentimes this is very, very exorbitant and very expensive. So a cost-effective way to tackle this, so you can have attorney services, also someone that could go to court and represent you in any type of civil matter or criminal matter of front of a judge. Legalshield will help you with that for a low monthly fee. Think of them as equivalent to Netflix. Netflix, you pay a low fee to watch many videos. Like, you can watch hundreds and thousands of videos instead of paying for each video, which will be very expensive. You actually can just pay one monthly subscription fee and you get access to thousands of videos. That's what Legalshield is. Legalshield, you pay a low monthly fee. For example, see this Business Plus supplement, $14.95 per month. That's all you have to pay. So you pay $14.95 per month, for example, and there's many other packages, other prices for different needs. But we're talking strictly for transportation. I received a really great comment from a YouTube subscriber named Super Channel. Really asked a phenomenal question, and what they're asking is they want to know, how do you go about finding an attorney that can actually assist you and that's well versed in transportation, a transportation attorney or rideshare attorney, or someone that can actually assist you with the Turo business, hire car business, get a Veil business, get around business, or just renting your car out, or even a dealership type of business. Legalshield is the answer. They've been around since the 70s. Over 40 years. That's huge. They have a lot of different experience. They specialize in a lot of different niches, and it's very hard to find a transportation attorney that's well versed, and someone that's well versed in Turo. This is a very new blue ocean, new company, or hire car. Very, very hard to find someone that specializes in this. Legalshield can actually has a group of specialized attorneys that can actually assist you with a Turo business, hire car business, get around business, or even a Veil business. Very, very important, people. This is huge. Understand this. If you're a hire car owner like I am, if you're a Turo host like I am, I'm a Turo Power host. I own 20 cars. Legalshield has been a savior. Not only they can give you advice, because they're actual attorneys. It's not just some person who's unlicensed. It's a licensed attorney that passed the bar exam, that's well versed in transportation law, that can assist you with your Turo business, teach you what structure to pick if you want to create an entity, if you want to create a corporation, an LLC, a sole proprietorship, if you want to elect to be an S Corp, if you want to be a C Corp, whatever the case is, a partnership, like whatever, limited liability company, whatever entity structure you pick, Legalshield can tell you which one to pick, what are the advantages of it, and they can assist you with a tax attorney as well. And this is all unlimited, people. Rewind this. What I'm saying simply is this: instead of paying an exorbitant expensive rate of $100 per hour, $200 per hour on the low end, or $300, $400, $500 for this type of specialized attorneys, and attorneys are fairly expensive, you actually get access for something like $14.95 or $29.95. There's different packages, different package and products they offer. But for example, this one's $14.95. Pretty awesome. Let me scroll down and show you what this benefits. Look at this: big business tools without a big business budget. Bam, that's what it is. So for anyone that wants a secret to what Conrad Layn's doing and how I'm ahead of the curve, a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people don't even know about Legalshield. They've been around for so long. Very strong company. All over United States, all over Canada. If you're a Turo host in the United States, if you're a Turo host in Canada, if you're a Turo host, even in the United Kingdom, consider Legalshield. Very powerful business, very powerful group of attorneys all over in every single state. They're huge. And what they can do is they can assist you on what structure to pick. If you already picked your structure, if you already picked an LLC or corporation, or if you're a sole proprietorship or if you're a hire car owner, or if you want to become a hire car owner, or if you're a Turo host or a Turo Par host like I am, or if you're a Vel host or Get Around host, doesn't matter what platform you're on, people. This video will help you. I left the link below how to sign up. You can sign up within a few seconds and you get started right away. And the cool thing about this, they can even show up at court for you. You don't even have to show up if you don't want to. You can if you want to. They can handle civil matters for you. They can even go beyond a judge. In this industry, someone might try to sue you. There might be libel where someone lies on you, whatever the case is. They can monitor and help you and go to court for you on your behalf. They can review your legal documents and contracts, even the contracts in small print that Turo gives us. You can send them the contract and they can read that for you and tell you what are whatever loopholes or different benefits that can benefit you. They go through a hire car contract for you. They go through a Vel contract, Get Around contract. They review all this. Look at this. This is so awesome. Look at this. Online business consultation. Do you have a tax? As I mentioned before, they actually can assist you with tax matters. They have tax attorneys. If you need to figure out how to get the best tax or how to offset, if you're trying to learn how to offset properly, learn it directly from the best. Learn it from an attorney who's well-versed, who's a tax attorney that's been doing this for years. Legalshield is the answer, people. Like I said, I left the link below, so if you're serious about becoming a Turo host, or you're already a Turo host like me, or you want to become a hire car owner, or you already are a hire car owner, or if you want to be a Vel host or a Get Around host, or you're already a Vel host, or you're already a Get Around host, or if you just own a rental car company, or you own a dealership, or you want to share your company, or even if you want to deliver for DoorDash, Uber, consider this. For $14.95, very well worth it. And look at this, people. They help you with HR, marketing, technology, finance questions. Simply log in and submit your question, and your expert consultant, which is an attorney, will return a response within 72 hours. And again, you just pay a monthly fee, just like Netflix. You don't pay this expensive hours. It costs a lot of money just for attorneys to read your documents, to fine tune a contract. They could go over a contract. They could write a contract for you. They can actually go over your hire car contract, over your Turo contract. This will put you ahead of any other host. So you wonder how Conrad Layn's doing it? I have a lot of different tips and tricks and secrets. I just gave you a huge gem, huge diamond. This is how you do it. I left the links below. Sign up for Legalshield so you can start for just that small amount. You can actually go through and go way ahead of other Turo hosts, other hire car owners, because now you have a specialized attorney that specializes in transportation law or rideshare law to help you build your Turo business, teach you how to get the best tax rate, how to offset properly, what structure to pick, what your benefits are if you're a sole proprietor, what you should do, how you should form your taxes, what to buy, what not to buy, how to offset expenses, etc. They give you all these tools. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars per hour, you're getting it for just a small monthly fee, people. Look at this. Customer relationship management tools to help manage your contacts and potential customers. So if you're trying to get more customers, they can help you with that. Look, our customer relationship management tools help manage your contacts and potential customers, track marketing campaigns, follow up on leads, schedule meetings, and more. They help you even build your business up. This is all for just a small monthly fee. Business forms. Download and create vital legal forms, including contract agreements, confidentially non-disclosure agreements, non-competes, and more. They help us. They can even create contracts for you as well. But they have an archive of different business forms you can download. Website builder for free, people. Look at this. So remember, I always tell you guys, if you guys follow my channel, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe now. I teach you on ways on how to market, how to build your own websites, how to do everything for free, how to use SEO, search engine optimization, how to be able to get be more clickable. So you start getting more Turo business, more hire car business, more business in your Vel business or Get Around business. So you start getting more bookings and making more money. Legalshield, if you're a part of Legalshield, they even give you a website builder for free. People, look at this. Every business needs an online presence. I agree 100%. With easy to use tools and templates, you can launch a professional website with e-commerce integration with no hosting and maintenance fees. Bam. How much better does this get, people? This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. And this is another one. This is called Trial Defense for Business. So what this is essentially is they give you an additional 100 hours. So your business plan, they give you trial hours so that if you get sued, if you're, say, hire car or Turo driver or your renter gets in trouble and say you have to go in front of a judge or you have to sue them or they're suing you, they protect you. They'll go on, if someone's suing you or you're suing someone else, they'll show up to court for you. You know how expensive that is to have an attorney get up out of bed? do research hours and to actually protect you, how expensive that is, you get that all for the fee for an additional $14.95. If you don't have to add this on, but it is a really great package. But you don't have, it already comes with, your current package already comes with trial hours. This is if you need additionals. Maybe being sued and it's going to be a really long case. So for example, if you say you need it more, you simply go in here, you add it on for $14, another additional $14.95. And look what it says here: affordable trial defense services in the event your business is a named defendant in a lawsuit. So like I said before, if you're being sued, also if you're suing someone else, whatever the case is, trials can be expensive and time consuming. Add the small business trial defense supplement to your small business pro or plus membership for 100 hours of trial defense services, and it gives you 25 hours pre-trial time and 75 hours of trial time. So that's pretty cool. So not only it gives you hours for your attorney to plan and really think and spend their personal time to really develop a case for you so they can protect you. They also show up, and they also do pre-trial attorney representation and consultation. So you can call them, ask them questions, and it's unlimited, people. This is really cool. I really, really love this. Attorney representation. Your membership includes representation by an attorney if your small business is named defendant in a covered civil lawsuit. Pre-trial hours. Look at that. You'll get 25 pre-trial. Trial hours. You'll get 75 hours. This is just phenomenal. It's just really, really phenomenal. Let me show you some more, people. This gets really good. Let me show you. You're gonna lose your mind. This is another good one. This one's the rideshare delivery supplement. That was the business supplement. Rideshare, $14.95. Look at that, $14.95. That's nothing. And for what you get, just even them giving free web, like free web builders to build your website, and also you get unlimited consultations. So you can contact your attorney, ask them any question you like as many times as you like. You can send in your documents. You can fax them any questions. They can actually review your contracts. They can go over contracts you want to sign. They make sure it's not fraudulent. They protect you. They can go over your insurance policy. You can send your whole insurance policy to them if you like. Look at this, people. Protect your driving record and your livelihood. With this business, you guys know, if you guys are new to becoming a Turo host or a hire car owner, oftentimes when you get tickets in the mail, even though it wasn't you driving your car, it comes in your name. Bam, Legalshield can protect you. That's one extra headache. Instead of you doing it yourself, you could do it yourself. You could try take care of that ticket. Legalshield can take care of that ticket and make sure to prove that, hey, this wasn't my this is just the owner's. This owner was not driving this vehicle at this time, and they can help you with that. Unlimited calls, again, and unlimited consultations. So that means you call your attorney as many times as you like, and you can ask them as many questions as you like. They'll actually call you, talk to them, and they'll consult, and they'll answer any of your questions, and they'll do research for you. And look, document review to protect you. They review your insurance documents. They review your claims documents, your Turo documents, hire car documents, avail documents, whatever the case is. Get around. Attorney representation. Your membership includes representation by a provider if you are named defendant in a civil suit. Again, accidents and vehicle damage. If the vehicle you depend on to earn a living is damaged by a passenger or other third party. Remember, if you're a Turo owner, a get around owner, or a hire car owner, and you have your car and renting it, this will help you. Get up to 2.5 hours for your attorney to consult with you, conduct research, and review documents relating to recovering damages, up to $5,000. So this is awesome. So not only if, say for example, you're in a situation where your insurance doesn't cover you, this is basically, they'll help you to recoup money if your insurance doesn't cover, and even if your insurance doesn't cover, they'll try to get you an additional $5,000. Really awesome. Moving violations. Have a provider represent and defend you in court for moving violations related to accidents that occur. This happens. People get in accidents. Oftentimes you'll be named, this is a business, and you can be sued easily. Unfortunately, even if you're not driving, it's your car, it's your business. If your tire gets blows out and they get in an accident, they can try to sue you for that. If your car cuts off and they get in an accident or slips off the road, so you could end up being sued as well. This is what insurance helps with. But what if insurance doesn't cover you? You need an attorney to help you out. That's very expensive to pay an attorney per hour, hundreds upon hundreds of dollars per hour. Instead of doing that, pay a monthly small fee, $14.95, and get a Legalshield plan. Please consider this. Don't just listen to me. Do your own due diligence. You don't have to do this, but they've been around for over 40 years, since the 70s, and this is a phenomenal company that can really help you with your Turo business, hire car business, or if you rent cars in general, people. Look at it. Look at this. Phone consultation. Receive phone consultation on an unlimited number of legal matters. Irs Audit Services, people. Again, if you have tax issues, for those that want to know how to find a well-versed tax attorney, how to find a well-versed CPA or accounting firm, or someone to help you with taxes and offsetting taxes and also dealing with the IRS, Legalshield can help you. They have attorneys and law firms everywhere that specialize in different niches. If you need a criminal attorney, if you need a patent attorney, if you need an attorney for marriage, if you need a divorce attorney, if you need like a Turo attorney, I'll call it, or a Hyre attorney, or a Veil attorney, or Airbnb, whatever the case is, some type of sharing economy type of attorney, Legalshield has it. One of the few law firms that can actually assist you with your Turo business, your hire car business, Airbnb, even VRBO, if you're in a real estate, if you're renting an apartment complex, a commercial building, a residential building, a residential house, a home, a car, cars, commercial vehicles, if you're a commercial Turo host, if you're renting a car independently or with a sharing economy like Turo or hire car, Legalshield is the answer, people. Please consider this. Please consider this. Let me show you some more. This gets better and better. They even protect you against identity theft, ID Shield. Look at this. So many benefits, so many benefits. It's not even funny, people. Look at this. You get all this $14.95, people. $14.95. Are you kidding me? $14.95. ID Shield monitors your personally identifiable information from all angles, and if your identity is stolen, we provide full service identity restoration to restore your identity to its pre-theft status. Very important. Trend micro maximum security. Look at this. Dark web internet monitoring, trend micro maximum security. Look at this. Social media monitoring. They monitor your Facebook. People steal identity, especially if you're on a Turo profile. Oftentimes, Turo will want you to connect your. If you're a Turo host, you'll know what I'm talking about. Turo has plugins, what they're called, to plug into Facebook to verify you, and Twitter. You could be compromised that way. Your information could be stolen. You put it through Turo, it could be stolen. If that happens, you're protected at least by Legalshield. Look at this. Unlimited service guarantee. Look at this, people. Password managers. So you have passwords, you put it in a system, and they monitor that on the dark web. They also monitor through social media websites. And again, for those that know, if you're already a Turo host or if you're not a Turo host, Turo has a plugin where you can plug in your Facebook account to verify who you are, and also a Twitter. If you do that, you can be compromised. That's just how it is. Look at this, people. Financial threshold account monitoring. Receive an alert on financial withdrawals, balance transfer, and large purchases on financial accounts for transactions made in excess of a set monetary amounts. You can set amounts that's supposed to come out. If you're running a business, you should monitor how much should come out. Because sometimes people can steal your information. It's just how it is, people. Includes checking, savings, 401k accounts, loans, and more. If you have a car loan, right? If you have a business loan, whatever the case is, this will help you, people. Reputation management. Scans your social media accounts for existing content that could be damaging to your online reputation. You're a Turo owner. You're a Hyre owner. Someone could give you a bad review or unfair review. That could, Legalshield can help you with that too. Libel, like slander. Someone could be slandering you. Someone could be mad at you because maybe they're mad because you charge them a smoking fee and lie on you and leave a bad review or a nasty review on Yelp or Google. Very bad. Legalshield helps you with that. Reputation score ranks your online reputation risk by giving you a score based off the content found on your social media accounts. So if you have an Instagram account, a Turo is considered a social media account because it's connected, again, oftentimes to Facebook and Twitter, and it's an online account. Someone can leave a review there. That's a social account. You want to get Turo monitored. You want to monitor all your accounts online, hire car business, etc. Get around Avail. Someone can leave you a bad review that's unfair. Very important. This is for identity theft. I don't know how much deeper I gotta get through this. This is just awesome. It's just absolutely awesome. Let me show you this too as well. Home business supplement. It offers all this. Look, $14.95, people. You mean to tell me this is not worth it? Look at this. More benefits. They have so many different products. Choose what you want. Take your time. Look at this. Unlimited consultation. That means you call them a million times per day. And if you have questions about everything, you can ask them questions about every single piece of the contract of your insurance policy, Turo plan, Turo insurance plan, your Turo contract, your hire car contract, your hire car insurance, Avail contract, Avail insurance. If you have whatever, get around if you're a dealership, or you're starting off a dealership, or you have a dealership already, if you're starting off your own rental car company, they can assist you with this. You can ask as many questions as you like, especially for Turo owners, Hyre car owners, get around owners, and Avail. Also, they go over letters, phone calls, and collection letters. And they can also help you if you're a commercial Turo host or a commercial rental car company, or you're doing it by yourself. They can help you collect money from from renters that owe you money. Very, very important. And look at this, Irs Audit Services. Again, for those that want to know about tax attorneys or CPAs or accounting services, Legalshield's the way that can put you in the right direction, and they can help you with assisting what structure to pick, or what to do to become financially equipped, or get the best information to put you financially ahead, by telling you and giving you proper advice, because they're actual attorneys and they're not charging per hour, just for a small $14.95 per month. Not worth it, people. And there's different plans that go higher than that, but that's pretty low. $14.95. There's another one for $29.95. Pretty phenomenal. Look, unlimited consultation, Irs Audit Service, access legal service for Irs audits of your personal federal tax return that include business items on Schedule C and E. And again, they can also look at your business information. They can help you with your proper structure, tell you what to do, what not to do. They can tell you how to offset properly. They can put you in the right direction with CPAs and accounting services. They can monitor all your information, monitor your Turo profile. It's just very, very document review. Look at this. Submit up to 4 business documents per month. Attorney will receive them and provide advice. Each document can be up to 25 pages. You can send a whole insurance policy to them. You send them all Turo's contract. They can go through that and tell you how to go through that to get the best. So you have second or third, a second pair of eyes on it, or a whole firm on it, giving you advice. Look at this, letters. Have your attorney write letters or make phone calls on your behalf. If you're unhappy with Turo, if you're unhappy with Hyre, you're unhappy with Getaround, you're unhappy with Avail, you're unhappy with Airbnb, or you're unhappy with a customer, or you're unhappy with a company, they can write. Legalshield firm and attorneys will write letters on your behalf to whoever you need them to write letters to protect you, to your bank, to a bank institution, to a customer. If you need to sue someone, they can write letters for you. They can even review letters for you. Pretty awesome. Collection letters. Your attorney can prepare up to 4 collection letters per month on their firm letterhead to recover debts owed to your business. So if Turo owes you money, if Hyre owes you money, and I'm not saying to sue Turo, I love Turo, but I'm just giving you an example. If you need to go out, if Turo owes you money, if Hyre owes you money, if Getaround owes you money, if Avail owes you money, if Airbnb owes you money, if someone owes you money, a bank owes you money, if a customer owes you money, if you're a Turo commercial host and you need to collect money, Legalshield can actually get their firm. They'll give you. They'll send the person that owes you money a legal. They'll use a legal letterhead, attorney form to send to them. They'll document it, and it's professional. And if you need to sue them, they help with that as well. Or if you're being sued, they help you with that as well. I can go on and on, people. This went a lot longer than I wanted to and anticipated. But again, there's different plans, and there's a lot to offer here, people. And look at this. Legalshield matters. Look at $29.95, people. For a low fee, Legalshield gives you the ability to talk to a lawyer on personal legal matters without worrying about high hourly costs. Bam. They're basically the Netflix of attorneys, people. Been around. Most people don't even know what this company is, or haven't heard the right information about the company. Very valuable. Look at this, people. At Legalshield, we are dedicated to creating a world where everyone can access and afford legal protection. Expected and unexpected legal matters arise every day, and with Legalshield on your side, you will have direct access to a dedicated law firm 24/7, people, for covered emergencies. So even people that pay an attorney oftentimes don't have attorneys 24/7 or a firm to help them. You actually have a firm behind you, not just one attorney. You have a firm of attorneys. And again, if you're in the UK, if you're in Canada, if you're in the United States, please consider this. For such a low fee to get all these great services, from court representation for a speeding ticket that happens in our business, to real estate matters, to family legal matters such as adoption and name changes, to estate planning, needs such as will preparation and beyond. We are here to help you with your personal legal matters, no matter how traumatic or trivial they may seem. And you just get a plan. Look at that. Advice and consultation. You can call your provider law firm for consultation on personal legal matters such as neighbor disputes or a landlord dispute. Letters and phone calls. Again, your lawyer can send a letter or make a phone call on your behalf to help resolve personal legal matters. Document review. Your lawyer will review a limited number of personal legal documents, up to 15 pages each. You must be named as a contracting party on personal legal matters to be reviewed. So that just means that if you're being sued, or if someone's sending you a letter, you don't have to be sued. If they're just sending you a letter with your name on it or your business name, voila, Legalshield can review it. Estate planning people, look at this. Speeding ticket assist. This happens in our business. Receive assistance for your provider law firm on a non-criminal moving traffic matters with when driving with a license and proper registration. This happens, people. Look at this. Beautiful. Watch, get a plan, and this is what you do. And now you just add on $14.95, pick here, very simple. And that's how you do it, people. That's how you actually sign up very easily. So for example, I wanted to do that. Go to cart. And voila, and that's it. And now it's added on, and that's it, people. So once you go through the process, to buy, it's pretty simple. You just put in your information, you purchase, pick the plan you want. They have all these different plans. They have so many other plans I didn't even go through. They have a lot. But anyways, like, subscribe, share for at Super Channel. Hopefully this answers your question. For anyone that is serious, that's already a Turo host, a hire car owner, or if you're a Veil host or a Get Around host, or you're just someone who's renting your car out, or someone's considering joining Turo or becoming a Turo host or becoming a hire car owner or becoming a Get Around owner or a Veil owner, or whatever the case is, if you want to rent your car, if you're starting a dealership, I don't care what it is, please consider Legalshield. You have a firm behind you all over the United States, all over Canada. If you're in the UK, they will really help you. They've been around since the 70s, and they can help you with offsetting taxes. They can help you with advice, what structure you should pick, or what advice they should give you that will put you financially ahead based on the structure you have. If you're sole proprietorship, if you're running your business as LLC, a corporation, if you have a partnership, they'll help you even create a business as well. If you want them to create the business for you, this is actually another one. It's called Launch by Legalshield. Look at this, people. Look at this. This is awesome. Launch your business with confidence. Start your business off right with the Launch by Legalshield. Look at this. For just $145 plus state filing fees, very cheap, they can actually create the business for you. So if you're like, look, I don't know what I should do to start this Turo business, what structure I need, they can do all the thinking for you. They can create the business plan for you. They can create the business for you. And look, consultation with an attorney, business formation, documents and filing, optimal kit, and seal for your business. So basically, they'll create the business for your Turo business, hire car business, Avail business, Get Around business. That's if you want them to. You don't have to select this. If you want this is extra. This is basically $145 plus whatever your state filing fees are. And again, doesn't matter where you're at, they will help you with this. This is awesome. But again, this is extra. You don't have to do this. You can select the small plans I went over before that give you a lot of value. But if you also want them to create the actual business for you, $145 plus whatever state filing fees are, and you have professionals, attorneys creating your business for you and selecting the right entity structure for you and give you pure strategy, and you get consultations that are unlimited with an attorney, people. This is how you do it. Look at this. Business legal consultation with your law firm or an unlimited number of legal matters concerning your business. Business formation filing. Your attorney will quickly create articles of organization or incorporation, meaning an LLC or corporation, depending on the business type, and file them with the appropriate Secretary of State office so you can start your business right away, people. They'll do document review, letters and phone calls your attorney will wire. So this comes with this, people. So if you buy that, you get the membership anyway. So you pay the $145, you get a membership anyway. If you don't want them to create the business for you, you want to create your own business yourself, or you have someone else creating your business for you, you just buy the membership. But if you want them to do everything plus the membership, $145. Pretty nice. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's going on and on. Love you guys. If you want more content, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram at Conrad Layn. I'll be more than happy to give more gems. If you have any questions, concerns, I'm pretty good about answering questions. Leave the comments below. And thank you so much for the great question at Super Channel. You're a phenomenal viewer. Thank you so much for the support and for everyone to support the channel. I'm a new YouTuber still, and I'm just trying to do my best to give as much raw and real information for you guys so you guys can benefit. I love all you guys and gals out there. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.